Today I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll show you how you can lighten your dark underarms naturally and instantly. So I'll show you two powerful remedies that will help you get smooth and fairer underarms in just 3 to 4 days. So let's get started with the first remedy. So as you can see, it is I'll be using cucumber juice. So you require 3 ingredients, that is cucumber juice, besan flour, or also known as chickpea flour, and milk. So this is around 1/4 of cucumber that I have peeled and then made into juice, and then I'll add around just 2 teaspoons of besan, also known as chickpea flour, and then 4 tablespoons of milk. See, if you have a dry skin, use milk, and for those who have oily skin, just add few yogurt, like around 2 teaspoons of yogurt or curd. So mix it well. Now once you have achieved a smooth consistency, what you have to do is place this paste in the freezer for about 5 to 10 minutes and apply this cold paste on your underarms. Let it sit for about 10 minutes and then wash off with cold water. So you can do this 10 minutes before taking your bath. And now let me share the advantage of using this pack. So as you know, this pack contains besan flour, and besan flour has powerful cleansing properties. It removes any impurities and dirt from your underarm skin. And cucumber juice, it lightens the color of your underarm skin. And milk, it removes dark patches and brightens the underarm skin, and also it moisturizes and tones the underarm skin. So for best results, use this daily and for up to 3 to 4 days to get smooth and fairer underarms. Now let's move on to the second remedy. Now moving on to the second remedy we have is neem leaves powder. If you don't have neem leaves powder, you can use a fresh paste of neem leaves, and then is sugar. This is granulated sugar, and olive oil. So I'll mix all these ingredients. So this is around 2 teaspoons of sugar and 1 tablespoon of neem leaves powder. So I'll add I'll add the olive oil. That will be around 2 teaspoons of olive oil. That's all. Mix it well. Now this exfoliating scrub is ready. So what you have to do, wash your underarms with lukewarm water. Take a small amount of this exfoliating scrub and rub for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then if you want, you can keep for another 3 minutes and then wash off with cold water. Let me share the advantage of using this exfoliating scrub. This scrub contains sugar, and sugar is a great exfoliant. It removes dead, rough skin cells and makes the underarm skin smooth, clean and much brighter. And olive oil moisturizes and tones the underarm skin. And neem leaves, it contains powerful antibacterial, antifungal and antiseptic properties that kills the bacteria and germs that causes bad odor and darkening of your underarms. So use this remedy for continuously for 3 days if you want to get fairer, smooth underarms instantly.